Assalamualaikum kids. Today we are learning daily use English sentences in home. I love you, mommy. Could you bring me a glass of water? Leave me alone. I will get up early in the morning. She is not my cousin sister. Where is father? They are my friends. I'm going to play to the playground. It is very hot today, isn't it? I want more money. I'm sick. I remember everything. Have a heard? Don't cut jokes. Don't cut jokes. Did you miss your bus? I missed my school bus. I just made it. I love to play video games. I apologize. Thank you, mommy.